How to delete Instagram account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account within the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Instagram app, navigate to your profile, and then select the three lines in the top right to open up the settings. Once in the settings, select the first option labeled Account Center. And then in here, we just want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and select Manage Accounts. Select Manage next to the Instagram account that you want to delete. And then in there, just select Deactivation or Deletion. Now we just need to make sure that we have Delete selected and then select Continue. It'll tell you what will be deleted. This also includes your Threads account, and it'll tell you how many things that you'll have on Instagram that'll be deleted. So select Continue, give them a reason for why you want to delete your Instagram account, select Continue, and then they'll give you the option to export your information. So you can export your data from Instagram, download it, or you can even deactivate your Instagram account rather than permanently deleting it. And this is something that will basically make it look like you deleted your Instagram account, but you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. So go ahead and select Continue, enter your Instagram password. You may have to confirm one more time, but after that, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.